Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the Consistency Rule Calculator, Lot Size Calculator, and Drawdown Simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Good morning, guys. How are you, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Hello, guys. Let me sit in the middle. Oh, okay. Perfect. How are you guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, yesterday, guys, the PM session on TradingView TV, I got such amazing short on gold. 7 micros, 30 point short. And I got in this short yesterday. Isn't that amazing? It was my first high probability trade on gold yesterday, for the last couple of months. Damn, it was so good. After partials, I made $1,300 on each account. It was just so good. It was 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB, perfect. I entered here, then added here, and it was just a god. It was an amazing trade. I'm gonna trade September contract. Yeah, yesterday, I'm not going to lie, I was super confused with indices. I was trying to short ES yesterday. I lost $250 in the trade. 5 markers, 10 points, and I was like, damn, I have no idea. I'm not going to long this. Is too much for me to long this, and I decided to stay away from indices the rest of the day, but I saw perfect setup on gold at 11:40 a.m. So gold paid me so well yesterday. You know, talking about NQ and ES, so I talked about this yesterday in TradingView TV, gonna repeat this again. So how I see picture, we approaching all-time high, probably will hit all-time high near future, but honestly, I want to think about weekly profile. So how I see situation with weekly profile, it's Tuesday, right? It's short week, FMC tomorrow, so I don't mind to get Tuesday low of the week. This means I want to see this move all the way down, yes, to weekly open, to offer low of the week, and I would like to look for longs back to all-time high. So far, weekly on ES, we got 1 tick below weekly open. It's not even manipulation. On NQ, we got nothing. So technically, just flat candle, and we have gap below this. So I'm looking for, damn, I don't want to say this, but I'm not bearish on high time frame. I want to see all-time high, but I'm looking for the move down to offer Tuesday low of the week or Wednesday reversal profile. This means I need to see lower to long this, and much lower, and much lower. It's like 600, 700 points lower on NQ. And yes, I wouldn't mind to get this today, but since FOMC tomorrow, probably it may happen tomorrow. But we will see. That's how I see situation, guys, with indices. So yesterday it was my short on ES. Let me show you, just show you. Honestly, I love this short, and if I see the setup again, for example, today I will take this again because SPX confirmed the short 3 times, and I was like, damn, it looks so good, I want to try this. I was in profit like 6-7 points, yes, but it didn't work for me. I mean, fine, but I would take this trade over and over again. It's just perfect confirmation. I know this kind of setup using SPX works 7 of 10 times. So not bad. This trade was called on TradingView TV. What else? Nothing for now. Nothing. We will see how it goes today. I'm from Belarus, guys. I speak Russian, and I'm trying to speak English. Lots of mosquitoes here. Yeah. So, but I'm looking for lower today. Looking for shorts. Short, of course. If you watch my video about, guys, I hit my elbow. Look at this. It's so painful. If you watch my video about OT retracement, I covered this several times. So technically, if we have untouched RTH gap on SPX, for this you can use SPCFD. It's free for every user, TradingView user. So using this approach, we want to do what? Once we traded back into 25-50% of old RTH gap, but keynote here, we never traded to this level before. So we want to see 2-minute confirmation to confirm a reaction all the way down to near sell side. So can I call this near sell side? Technically, yes, but obviously liquidity level was here. So technically low of the day. So this reaction was confirmed by 2-minute inversion. And yes, I use only 2-minute chart and 2-minute OB, which was the most important part. So I saw the situation. I was like, damn, I see a nice short here. After this, we got retracement. And SPX on 2-minute chart failed to close above 25% again. So I entered my short. I don't remember for sure, but it was somewhere here on ES. I put my stop loss at the swing high and I was aiming for, it was like 1.5 hour trade. And I was looking for a low here, probably 25% of huge gap. So I was once again in profit for some time, but as you can see, it didn't work. But at the same time, we didn't feel this gap, right? So we just reacted from OT and we closed at 50% of this move up. I mentioned this on TradingView TV yesterday as well. So that was confirmation of my short trade. Didn't work, but once again, I backtested this setup a lot and I know like it works like often. It just didn't work yesterday, which was perfectly fine. I hope it makes sense. Did I explain this? What about NQ? I didn't trade NQ yesterday, but guys, I'm looking for, I don't know. I'm looking for, I want to say I'm looking for short, but honestly, no idea. I decided to stay away from saying like I'm bullish today or I'm bearish, because every single time when I say like I'm bullish, I always short. Every single time when I say I'm bearish, I always trying to look for longs. We will try to react, okay? That's the most important part. On high time frame, bullish. I want to see all-time high. For today, considering that tomorrow's FOMC, no idea. But we will see. Maybe today we will trade gold, right? So everything possible. But I will try to look to short today, yes, and NQ. But we will see. I'm looking for shorts as well. God, please, market makers, God, trading God, give us perfect short opportunity. Let's just retrace back to New York midnight open. So mine break above this level. We will try to short and Q today, all the way down to new low of the week. Please. How I use SPX gap? 1 second, I will find PDF for you, and I have video about this on my YouTube. Video calls OT, but I will send you PDF as well. 1 second. PDF. 1 second. I guess this one. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's over here. So first part of this PDF about OT retracement, how it works, but second part of this PDF, guys, link in the chat, is about SPX. That's all you need to know about SPX. This is how you can trade options, SPX options. Link in the chat, guys. Trust me, if you will try to trade this on options, OT of gaps, It will say thank you. Just a couple of months. I will say, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. $30 left to full. Oh. No, you will trade one micro. Wait, $30 in drawdown or to pass a val? That's important question. Who is going to... It was just a joke. I have no idea if I'm going to long or short today. $7.90. Nice. I want to see way lower. Of course. So for example, guys, let's take a look at this. Let me just show you how you want to highlight SPX chart. Once again, in order to find this on your TradingView, type SPX peak first option. It's going to be free. You don't need to buy any data for this. So as you can see, we got big gap. It was June 4th, right? So what you want to do, from the close of candle at 4 p.m. to the open at 9:30 a.m., you want to pull projection. And your projection is going to look like that. And it's always going to look like that. You can add 0 and 1, so starting and ending point, but it's going to you're just going to have unnecessary levels. Of course you can, it's not a problem. Like that, up and up. So that's your entire gap. What you want to see? You want to see 25%, 50%, 62%, and 70.5%. So that's technically your OT, but 25% it's important, especially when we have big gap. So as you can see, yes, we got the gap. We barely traded into this gap on June 4th. Price dropped all the way down, like somewhere. Yesterday, we did trace back to this level. And as you can see, price stopped at 25% yesterday. Let me delete this one to keep this chart clean. At the same time, see guys, I highlighted a new gap from yesterday. Exactly same projections. By the way, not exactly same. I forgot to put this one. Here we go. So here's the key points. How we can use 25% most of the time, especially for options. So if we never traded to 25-50% of RTH gap before, it can be months ago, it can be 2 months ago, it can be yesterday, whatever. So what you want to do, you want to see how we're going to open. If you're all going to open close to gap that was formed yesterday or months ago, whatever, but you see we never ever traded to 25-50%. So you want to see if we're near any liquidity level. If so, you want to observe, did we take this liquidity level before moved over this gap? 25-50%, yes or no? If your answer is no, you want to look for trade of this 25-50% all the time to aim for this near liquidity level. So yesterday, probably my mistake, which probably it's okay, was I didn't see any liquidity level. So I was just trying to trade of 25%. So probably it didn't make any sense because near liquidity level was nowhere, simply nowhere. But when, for example, let me show you example, 1 second. For example, here, open, close, open. So what happened here? We opened, right? Price tried to take near liquidity level over here, failed. So what happened right after this? We retraced all the way down to the range between 25 and 50% of this gap, and price took liquidity level. This works super, often, guys, a lot. So, Pasha, if you, I'm not going to repeat this again. If you want to ask me about this. But yeah, this works a lot. So I just said this before I even show you this example. For options, guys, done. So good. But let's say we opened near liquidity level. Yes, we have gap, but price immediately took sell side or buy side without retracing to 25% of gap. So normally we anticipate to get full reversal either to OT of this gap between 62 and 70.5%, or it's going to completely fill this gap. So, for example, here, by the way, For example, here, see, we took immediately sell side, price completely fills a gap. Here's a small gap. You can backtest this, it works like a lot. Here we opened like nowhere. Actually, no, it was great example. Open, close, open, see? Failed to take sell side here, retrace to 25, even more. Drop all the way down to sell side. What else? Like you can backtest. For options, guys, if you're trying to trade options on SPX, damn, it's so good. I'm gonna delete old levels. But I hope I answered your question. If I want to zoom out, see guys, I have many gaps. So it's useful. Oh, I have all-time high. I don't need this one. On 30-minute chart. You know, when I draw like OT gaps, I always use 2-minute chart. Dasha, again, I lost so much on small caps. Why you need small caps? I really have bad experience with small caps. Like, really bad one. I started my trading career with small caps. I didn't have nice experience. But once again, part about SPX, guys, let me send you link again for this PDF. I guess I'm going to create another PDF just about SPX. So I'm ready to say this for sure with confidence. If you will try to trade this with options, you will be profitable. Just trust me. No one will talk about this on any courses, but if you will try to trade SPX just using OT levels, PDF, just send link in the chat, but I will make a new one probably today or tomorrow. I will wait for thank you guys from you in a couple of months. And I will say, you're welcome, my people, my friends. You're welcome. It works so damn good. I have no idea what is my bias today. Honestly, wouldn't mind to get in shorts on NQ, because on NQ at least I have a target. But I don't know, we will see. Let's see how we're going to open. I'm bullish to all-time high, but I cannot. I don't know. I don't want to long, knowing like it left like lots of liquidity lower. Guys, I will talk about options probably later this month. But yeah, that's actually interesting point, like to create strategy. Like what DT... I will think about this. I also used first presented fair value gap yesterday. I prefer market maker model, but I truly believe like Silver Bullet, 2022 model, any other ICT models based on MMXM. But guys, I'm here to help you. I'm not asking anything back. Seriously, I'm interested in you to be profitable and I really want to help you. I don't ask you for anything. I don't sell any courses to you, just really trying to help, and I'm sharing PDFs that you never ever seen before. Because I'm sharing a approach that actually works. And we use this on live streams every single day, so. But I will create new PDF. Let me make a note. Let me put this to my calendar about. Yeah, everything is part of market maker model, just different stages. Exactly right. Today is ice skating class, so technically I can do this before this one. Okay, let me put note. I will make a new PDF today about SPX. Not sure I'm going to finish today, but I will start. Tanya took some off from trading, just spending time with her family in her country. She will come back soon. She's fine, by the way. Oh, yeah. I will put all PDFs to Funded now. I don't have all PDF on these files I'm going to send you just in 1 minute, but I will add everything to Funded now. For now, let me show you something. 1 second, guys. Oh God, where is this? Need to share this PDF. Not this one. Not. MXM, are you here? I cannot find my PDF. Did I put this in highlights? Oh, damn, yeah. So if you go on my page, it's my Twitter, go to highlights, first this one. See? I have 9 PDFs. I believe that's more than enough. Link in the chat. But I covered everything here. Price delivery, talking about expansion, retracement, reversal, and consolidation. I covered top-down analysis, so technically it's part of market maker model. Guys, link in the chat, by the way. You can download this if you want. You can print this. Just don't sell my work, please. Market maker model. Here it's old PDF, but I covered silver bullet as well. Damn, this font is horrible. Silver bullet here. Standard deviation projections. 2-minute model. Do I have this here? I didn't add. I will add. Standard deviation projections. We have 5 different types of standard deviation projections. You can pick that works for you. Interesting question about why I use SPX. Not 1 second. I will answer. Just 1 second. New York Midnight Open. That's my favorite PDF, by the way. I mean, link in the chat. You can read this. So I don't need to show every single file. Why I use SPX but not ES? So guys, trust me. I try to use ES, but my levels work with SPX much better than with ES. I don't know why, but at the same time, it's cool because we can trade SPX options using SPX levels. But sometimes, since on ES my levels don't work that good as on SPX, I use SPX to execute ES on my funded. But trust me, did you copy this from ICT? No, it's my approach using ICT Concept. I hope it works for you. Some people love my explanation more than ICT. Some people love ICT explanation more than mine. So I'm not going to argue about this. If you like my explanation more, you can read PDFs, but everything based on ICT Concept. Talking about standard deviation projections, I guess it's like from when you like have lots of screen time, so you're just trying to figure out like, okay, at this leg usually happens this. So I'm going to try to use projections. Oh, you can work, this method can work everywhere. So once again, I'm going to repeat this again. Candlesticks are the same everywhere. And if I'm going to show you plain chart, just candlesticks, no symbol, no time frame, 100% you will tell me the bias. So once again, it doesn't matter. Futures, Forex, crypto, like whatever. Because strategy I trade works on stocks as well. We just call this setup, this short. I call this short and I said like, guys, trust me, you can short this NVIDIA. Did I say this like 10 times? No, I said this 100 times. That you can short, I said I'm going to get puts from here. Short this, it's high probability setup. See how it worked? So damn good. Apple worked as well. Short from here. Sorry, I forgot to highlight. Short from here all the way down to this level. Tesla still working. So on Tesla, my continuation setup was kind of close. So I was looking for 455. Long was great one, but didn't hit TP. So right now still supporting continuation setup, but I would say less probable here. But I would like to see 455. There is no like best risk reward. There is no like how many contracts you need to trade. I don't have this answer. So personally, I use 1.5 risk reward. For some people, that's nothing. They use like 10R. I don't use 10R. Yesterday, my gold short, I got 3R. this one even more. After getting funded on one account and start getting payout. Oh yeah, that's what I always say. Just start with one account, take some payout, invest either to your live account or buy more valuations to scale. Oops. Gold, problem with gold. I covered this yesterday on TradingView TV as well, but I said why I'm in short. Because we got our Lumi level, so technically potential daily change in the state of delivery. And what we want to do, we want to see how we're going to close on this daily chart. Are we going to close back to the range within these two down close candles, and it's not going to be shifting structure, still bearish? Or we're going to close above sequence of these down close candles. At this point, we're going to get shifting structure, so we can try to long since we have low resistance liquidity run all the way up to 4,800. So from what I see so far, we closed within this range. So technically, I'm a bit more bearish today. A bit more bearish. How far I want to see retracement? Let's say to our Lumi level. So if it wants to be bearish and support this as failure swing, we should get closure below 43.31, 4,331. So that's gonna be our 4-hour. P means potential, okay? Change in the state of delivery. So I don't mind to get in there. If I want to be bearish today, we will drop to this level. At this point, it may try to offer shift in structure, and at this point, we will see some sell off. Let me delete this one, it's old level. Here. We're gonna see. For now, it's yes, it's selling, but resolution, a resolution. How I find daily bias? It's really hard sometimes. Hello, guys. Good morning. Pasha. Behave, please. That's actually fun. Yeah, I tried September contract. Yes, it's Russian accent. I speak Russian. Damn, that was funny. Look at ES and NQ chart. ES bullish, ES NQ bearish. What the heck? Huh? Anyway, guys, market is going to open in 5 seconds. Are you ready to kill this? Of course. Of course. Oops. How to... Okay. Need to charge this one. I hit my elbow a couple of days ago, see? Damn, that's so painful. Guys, don't forget to share the stream, hit the like button. As always. I was born and raised in Belarus, by the way. Not in Russia. Yeah, anyway. Guys, can you please log into your Take Profit Trader profile and you will see credit there. Your credit there. Account sent same day when you want this. So it should be there on your profile. Don't check email, just try to check your Take Profit Trader profile. Well, market is open. Let's see. Oh, we drop. Wait. And you doing perfect job. But yes, like kind of opposite one. Was trading hard for you at first? Of course, first almost 3 years. It was just impossibly hard. I was like, damn, it's not for me. I cannot make it. I was crying a lot because I was like, I kept losing again. I didn't know what to do. Just, you know, like this motivation phrases from Instagram, like never give up. It's actually true. How many points away from New York midnight open? How big chance to drop 600 points? 0? Like in 2024, I was crying after every single loss. Now I just stopped. Stop caring about this, but I'm bearish on NQ, I'm bullish on ES. What changed? It's gonna sound funny, guys, but once I started trading just one model, just stick to one single model, nothing else. Stop trading like I want to short here simply because I want to short here. Without any confirmation, I had FOMO. I was like, damn, I don't know. I just want to short here because I want this. And when I stopped doing this, just started sticking to just one model, you know my model, guys. I stopped having FOMO. I stopped caring about my loss because I trust this model. It works for me for almost 2 years. And I was like, well, sometimes I'm going to lose. That's perfectly fine. This happens. And sometimes I'm going to win. My win rate is not even like 70%. But it's just jumping between 65 and 67% for now, because like I have perfect days and I like lose. Perfect. Then I have break-even trades. But yeah, it's between 65-67% right now, my win rate for 2 years. Not bad. M2 model, yes. I will show you later, okay? My model available on YouTube. It calls my favorite ICT model, where I just shared PDF link. Let me see if I still have it. Click here, it calls liquidity sweep. PDF. Why it's dropping hard? I mean, that's exactly what I want to see, but... Actually, wait. What time is this now? Actually, it's not bad, because we traced to New York midnight open, just notice this. So far, nice rejection from New York midnight open. I would say, guys, considering that I want to see low of the week either on Tuesday or Wednesday to long to all-time high, I honestly don't mind to get like shorts. Way more than Asia low. Like Asia low at this point is nothing. Also from yesterday it left New York midnight open. Yesterday was Monday, right? And equal lows. We will see. Right now, yes, bullish. I don't want to see all-time high today because I want to like look at weekly profile. Kind of like 50-50 for me to see all-time high today. 50-50, I would say 70% no, 30% yes. We do have SMT. FOMC, we will see. I am not going to predict bias. I just will try to react, okay? Don't want to do this. Guys, are you long? Maybe you're in short? I'm perfectly fine to even long today, you know? Like, I'm gonna flip my bias if I see invalidation. Nothing wrong about this. Come on. I got married. That's why I moved. What's the best time frame? It's fractal, so it doesn't really matter which time frame. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. Share the stream, subscribe. I'm gonna guess 1 second. I'm gonna remove these levels because we already tested them before. I'm gonna just leave top of this RTH gap, old RTH gap that we got June 4th, because we didn't fill this gap yesterday. This gap was filled immediately, so nothing important to do in SPX just for now. Okay. Will scalp long on NQ above daily open in New York midnight open. Because trying to be in sync, trying to offer shift and structure. May scalp long soon on NQ. But only with displacement above New York midnight open and daily open. Retracement back to premium right here. 90 point stop loss? Are you kidding me? Life did not prepare me for this. Yet. But we will try anyway. Still below New York midnight open, daily open, still bearish signal to me on NQ. So what I see for now, as long as we below daily open, New York midnight open on NQ, it's bearish. And it's extremely bearish. It's extremely bearish. I need to repeat this again. Yes, still bullish. So this means we are not in sync. We're gonna wait for market to be in sync. That's pretty much it. So if I will trade in Q, I will trade on my 150k accounts because stop loss big. So at this point, why I'm trying to say, guys, I'm bearish on NQ, yes, bullish. So when you see market not in sync, you want to see market actually in sync to engage. Even if it offered inversion fair value gap on lower time frame on NQ, you see like, we got inversion after SMT. I'm going to full port long. No, you're not going to do this. That is like 50% chance it's going to play out. So what you're going to wait? You're going to wait for shift in structure on NQ to turn bullish. Inversion fair value gap will never ever will offer shift in structure. Never ever. So at this point, in order to see NQ bullish, we need to get shift in structure. And it's coincident today, but it lines up with daily open and New York midnight open. So right now with this inversion, I cannot long this. And with this SMT, I can only long this once we're going to get shift in structure. So once again, it still can play out. As I just don't like conversion fair value gap trades. It's just me. But it's 50-50 chance. But once we're going to break above these two levels, we shift in structure. Shut up. Let me guess. You are inversion fair value gap trader. Sorry. I still love you. Not going to ban you for 5 minutes. Let's see if you're going to get shift in structure. So far, still there's a chance to get new lows day. Let's see. Guys, tell me, are you looking for long? Maybe short? Maybe you're trading gold now? Maybe oil. By the way, oil hit my 77 level. Nice. Not gold, oil. Okay, let's see. Trying to break key level. Hey Maxim, how are you today? Let me check 15-minute chart real quick. Long start looking good, by the way. Let's see, we try long soon. Not now, but soon. Stop loss with 3 micros. Looking good to me. Let's see. Trying to displace above my key levels. $1.6R. Let's see. It doesn't look bad. Trying to displace an offer shift and structure for me to long. Okay, 12 seconds left. Let's see how we're going to close. Not enough closure. If it's going to displace now, you'll try to long, but I don't like the closure here. So not valid yet for me. What else we got? Da-dum, da-dum. So once I enter the trade, I will show you. Don't want to repeat reason. Not fan of closure yet. Talking about this one. Transit test 9 today I'm open. Let's see if it's going to be further swing, so technically higher low. It looks promising, so let's see. Hey guys, if you joined, hello, you missed nothing, looking for the trade now. Still flat. May consider long soon. But not now, waiting for shift and structure. We'll use 2-minute chart. So respecting 9 today I'm open. I forgot to add this level here. Still, oh, I do like how we're staying above this 3 levels on a yes. But the yes was bullish from the very beginning, so. Gonna be patient here. Not going to chase the price, but looking for long side displacement above daily open. I will trade 3 micros, stop loss, not sure yet, but around 60 points. We'll trade 150k account simply because stop loss not small for 50k account. We'll trade my 150k only for this trade. Nice displacement, trying to displace, looking good for long. Come on, nice up close candle off 9 today I'm open. Longs looks promising, right? So guys, I will share settings just in a moment. 1 second. Let me see if I want to engage now. Looks promising here. I may try with 3 contracts. Nice displacement. 5 as well. How many minutes left on 5-minute candle? 2.5. Okay. Okay, quick settings here, guys. Oh, it's style. I was like, what is going on? Closure here. I don't know, guys. I guess it's worth to try. I'm willing to lose here. I'm going to try 3 micros, guys. Did you copy the settings, guys? Can I close this? I entered long on NQ. Can I close this to show executions? Do you need this, guys? Okay, I'm in long on NQ. Three contracts, worth to try. This is acceptable for me to try, so I can wait for silver bullet to engage second time. Nowadays, my first try, always not great one, but worth to try. 904, partial level. $904.75, okay. Okay. So I'm on trade on my 150k accounts, 3 TPTs because 2 of them 50k, and 5 TradingView 150k accounts. So for 50k, I don't want to try this trade, not going to lie. What time is this now? Oh, it's about to be macro, okay. Oh, I see it kind of. It's 950 macro, let's see. I want to partial at 904. It's 50% of hourly change in the state of delivery. And I'm aiming for premium liquidity level, buy side liquidity level at 960. 950, sorry guys, my bad, 950. What time is this now? We got news. Potential signing of US kind of bullish news. Good morning, people, if you just joined. My loss limit on 150k account is $450. That's why before I enter the trade, I said I will trade 150k accounts because I saw kind of big stop loss. Of course, I could engage with 2 micros, but still stop loss is quite big even for first try. So 150k accounts, best. I don't trade 1 micro because it's important for me to be able to take partial, always. Strategy I trade is available on my, oh god, it's so painful. It's available on my YouTube. It calls my favorite ICT strategy. And PDF. MMXM, can you please send PDF file from my Twitter, please? I do like this placement above New York midnight open and daily open. Gonna sit. Guys, consider risk properly as well. We have big range on NQ. You don't want to trade more than 3 micros on this trade because risk is quite big. So far, it looks kind of textbook to me, especially displacement above daily open, New York midnight open, and sweep of 9:30 a.m. with SMT and Asia low sweep here. So honestly, it looks like textbook to me. Appreciate this. Thank you so much. What's wrong with gold? Like, it looks ugly. Since 920, it barely moved, right? Insane. Well, I have no insistent gold at all. Looks garbage. MXM, did you see how I hit my elbow? See this? Gold, like, I have no idea how I hit this, by the way. It was just one day, it was so painful. Three micros. Because stop loss 60 points. MXM, you know, it's funny because I hit myself all the time. And I have no idea how this even happens. It's me. It's normal. 904 is TP number 1, guys. A friendly advice, consider to take some off in case we're going to pump there. It's 50% of hourly change in the state of delivery. Why it's important level for me to take partial? Because 50% of change in the state of delivery show us if it's high probability OB or not. So if it's high probability OB, we will reverse from 904.75. If it's not high probability OB, we will break above this level to hit current liquidity level, which is at, I will take my final TP at 950. I will put my final TP at 950, but honestly, there's chance to 980 area. So let's see. 904 seems like good level to be tested. Just friendly advice. If we're going to pump to 904, I would consider some partial there. Sorry. Oops. What was that? Yes, retesting daily open. Let's see if it's going to sweep of 9:30 a.m. Yes. Well, yes, kind of tricky now. Let me check SPX real quick. SPX left, I don't know. 904 needs to be tested. Since ES trying to, let's see, it failed to take buy side on SPX. Since ES trying to break below New York midnight open, I want to see the test of 904 and NQ even more. We will see how it goes. Seems good to me. The test of New York midnight open. We're still above these two levels. New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. ES testing daily open now. We will see how it goes. Damn, 904. Looks high probability TP. Come on. Don't play with us. Straight up to 904. Or market it as scam. Is it straight? Not really, right? Better? Slightly. C0 TX, are you kidding me? How's it even possible? I mean, since it's retracing, it doesn't mean like it should be bearish. I'm not gonna move to break even without, guys, my rule number 1, I'm working on this. Break even after key level. We didn't hit key level. No break even possible for me. I'm willing to lose in case I'm wrong. From 904, 100% break even. From here, nope. Especially with still supporting daily open and the New York midnight open. No reason for me yet. Yet. Guys, remember, I'm working on my stop loss. I will trade because it fits a strategy I trade. Worth to try. Dun dun. We don't have a single fair value gap here. Okay, alright. Well, ES trying to break below New York midnight open. Did we sweep this level on NQ? 1 second. On NQ we close below New York midnight open as well. Well, first invalidation is here. First invalidation of longs is here, but let's see how we're going to support 10 AM open and 9:30 AM open level. I'm gonna stay here for now. I don't see reason to flip bias yet. SPX at OT. Yes, trading off New York midnight open now. Let's see how strong this placement is going to be. We got kind of bullish news, interesting that no reaction. Check financial juice, let's see. Still at 9:30 AM open. Slightly below New York midnight open on NQ, but above New York midnight open on ES. ES still bullish to me, especially at left buy side higher. So technically creating equal highs. Gonna stay for now. Anything I don't know. Probably nope. Nope. We don't have any. I like 904 level. I don't know. I still see this as high probability TP. Dash, I have a question. Let me read the chat. I have a question. Of course, ask. You know, high time frame looks bullish to me. I want to see lower overall this week, but for now, I don't see short setup. 904 the test seemed like absolutely obvious level to me. I mean, still seems obvious level to me. I entered the breakout above daily open in New York midnight open. Displacement above this level means shift in structure for me. And we got nice displacement on 5. On 2-minute chart looks even better. See? Displacement above this level. Daily open, New York midnight open. So it worth. It worth to try. It's MNQ 3 micros. 3 micro contracts. Look at this, guys. Let me show you. See how it's trying to be above New York midnight open, but below daily open. They are confused. Let me check SPX real quick. I don't know. 904. I still love this trade. I might enter later if it's not going to work. Mine are SMC at lows right now. Let's see if it's going to displace off 9:30 AM open. I will add one more contract to my long. See? Trying to break above this level. I might add to my trade soon one more micro. Let's see if it's going to trade off 9:30 AM open again. See how we're trading, trying to break above daily open, leaving buy side higher on, I don't know. I'm willing to probably add to my trade. One more contract, reducing stop loss to 50 points. So $400 instead of $450 risk. Let's see. Oh, look at this displacement above daily open. Let's see. I'm thinking about. My stop loss is here. We got sweep of daily open here. Still going to hold it. Let me check for a chart real quick. It looks good to me still. No reason to cut. Here's like perfect example for you guys. Let me show you. See? Let me hide this and this for now. Nice SMT here confirmed by shift in structure on 5 and 2, 3, 5 minute chart. So technically 904 makes million sense to me. Build and load this liquidity run. We need to get spike higher again. Yes, bullish still. Nothing changed. Gonna hold this for now. I don't see invalidation yet. Even if we got break below, see this guys break below daily open and 9:30 AM open on ES. And yes, we kind of trading slightly below New York midnight open and daily open on MQ. I don't know. It still makes sense to pump back to 904. Maybe not higher, but 904 the test makes sense to me. Gonna hold this for now. I'm even willing to add to my position. I guess it's overconfident sometimes. No, I'm still holding. Willing to add one more contract, I guess. At the break above New York midnight open. Let me... I added one more contract. Sorry guys, I was just trying to show you the difference between ES and NQ. I added one more contract right now to my position. Gonna hold. many contracts I'm in? Oh, 4 micros, right? Okay. Maybe it's overconfidence in my level, but I know. I just trust the process, Dasha. I like 904. Come on, hit this level. I usually don't add to my position. Sometimes I have overconfidence. Maybe it's bad. So technically say almost 70 points on my... Oh, it's actually a good result. I got different view. That's crazy. The difference between my fields, 5 points on NQ. Can you hit 904, please? I don't look like overconfident. I normally don't add to my position. Guys, type 1 in the chat if you think we will hit 904 now. Type 2 in the chat if stop loss is coming. 3 in the chat if you like flat just watching. Just interesting to see. I'm on the trade for 20 minutes already? Wild. Time flies. Stop loss, sorry. That's bad. We try the process. We plan the trade, we trade the plan. Look at them. Yes, okay, let me jump between charts like that. Well, yes, looks ugly. Like, look at this 3-minute chart. It looks ugly. Lots of ones, some twos. Well, my question then. Just for now, like for those who type 2, just for now, what the reason for me to cut my long and enter short? Like, what's the reason behind the short? Like, a real question. We cooked. No, seriously. Jokes aside, let's be serious for 1 minute. For example, you're trying to help me. I don't see something. You're trying to short why? Because definitely I can miss something, and that's perfectly fine. I cannot see like whole picture all the time. If you say something like this, means you... Man, did you hear my question? You think it's girl? No, some people said like, it's short. That's why I asked. Short because on 1 hour you inverted fair value gap, 4 AM candle. On 15 minutes you got bearish fair value gap, 8:15 AM. Up until it... We will see. Actually makes sense, but I would like to hold it. For me, I don't see shorts yet. That's why I'm gonna hold it for now. Unless I see invalidation. I mean, I know, like, technically we can drop as well. Like, everything possible, but I just asked. Interesting to see other people's opinion. No. Yes, looks more bullish to me. Gold. Was it sweep? Nope, not really, right? Oh, actually it is. On 30-minute chart. Let's see on gold setup soon. Possible second trade there. Damn, what's wrong with this chop? I mean, I know from see tomorrow, but damn. SPX leaving buy side higher, so technically building liquidity now. Okay, all right. I feel like gold is going to treat me well today, so maybe we'll stick to gold soon. At least on gold we're getting some nice move right now. Stopped out here. Well, honestly, I have no idea what to expect now. I'm not ready to flip the bias yet. Okay, let's see how it goes. We swap minor low here. I'm okay to enter maybe soon. Let's see. Yes, still bullish. I don't want to long short yet. At least for now, don't want to do this yet. Let's see how we're going to respect internal sell side. If I will short, it will be on yes, probably only. Just would like to get shift in structure on yes. We got nice shift in structure on Q, by the way. I love it. Oh, you cannot see yes chart, sorry guys. Still holding above New York midnight open on ES. Let's see. Gonna wait for a little bit. Not obvious yet. Long seem good to me. Short not yet. Yes, still bullish. Let's check why I'm real quick. why I'm doing exactly what I want to see on NQ. 50%. I was looking for the test of our mean threshold of hourly OB. If I will short, yes. Makes a bit, let me switch on yes. It makes a bit more sense. Trying to break New York midnight open. Nice. 10 points. Let's see. This needs to displace below New York midnight open. So maybe something like that. 12 points. 5 micros. Not more. Well, NQ, I got it. Taking notes on you. Looking for a possible short on a yes. Let me switch charts here. You know, guys, when I take 2 losses in a row, I usually done for the day. So I will give it less chance soon on a yes and done for the day. If it's like 2 L's, you know. We didn't get the closure built and I'm open yet. Not yet. How many points stop loss? Let's see my try soon. It will be my last try for the day. Just partial here. Let's see. Stop loss will be probably somewhere here. And that's it. It will be last try. How many stop loss? 10 points. So probably will trade 7 micros. Okay, wanna try this one. Well, I entered short. It will be my last try on my accounts. And that's it. I'm on short on the yes, guys. Last try for the day and done. Enough for me at this point. Projection at 609.75. Okay. Stop loss above OB over here. And it's a yes. Can give it more tries. If I'm wrong for the day, that's I don't have right buyer then. Sometimes it's better just Just be done, you know. Yeah, 7. We'll take one contract off at Asia low. 12.75. Just one contract off here at Asia low. Don't expect to get reaction. I would like to see reaction from the range between 2 and 2.5. But we'll unlock some profit. Between 0.95, 0.9.75 and 0.5.25. Okay, that's key area for reversal. Okay. Paste 25. Better. Let's see. If I'm wrong twice, done for the day. I'm not gonna play games with this price action. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. Share the stream. Floor chart looks ugly. Let's be honest about this. Technical gold can go lower. 43.31. Okay. But it's my last try for the day. Enter at off displacement or below New York midnight open. Didn't hit Asia low, but left liquidity level high. I'm not fan of this buy side here, but honestly, maybe it's gonna leave this for later today. You will see. As long as below New York midnight open wallet. Projections lower. Did I delete projections? Oh, I've hide my drawings. Okay, got it. Okay, lock one contract. Just some profit. Not significant though. Took some off here. Next TP set at projection level 676, so 9.75. Not going to trail stop loss because it's just to lock some profit, to reduce risk, if I can say so. Technically, yeah, you can move to break even, but I'm not gonna do this. Big chance to retrace all the way up there. We didn't hit 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range yet. Yeah. Actually, I need to copy this one and paste now. Yeah. Like that. My key areas. Now I can delete. Another partial taken. Let's see how we're going to respect 50%. So I will trail my stop loss aggressively at this point. Oh, 5.25. I'm gonna trail here. For contracts already off, just 3 micros left. Would like to lock some profit on my reversal retracement area. Let me actually call this reversal retracement area. So it's my projections area. Oh, I need to make the text bigger, I guess. Way better. We'll put actually. No, fine. Final TP is set at 94. 2 contracts left. 5 off already. Not bad. Chris, don't tell me this, please. Retracement or reversal area. Last support. Did I write this right? Oh. Of course not. It's not right. This one right. Last support 601.94 area 601, and your last TP exactly where my TP 601. Yeah, guys, I take lots of partials because I'm inside bullish market. I'm really scared to short this. So if I can lock some profit, I will. At least already break even. Could be worse. Guys, hit the like. We are not scared to lose reputations. Flipping bias live in front of 1,300 people. Oh, I said I will short in ES only because ES was bullish to me. So once you flip and bias on ES, so how I trade? For example, if I see ES bullish and Q bearish, I will wait for NQ to turn bullish to long this, or I will wait ES to turn bearish to short this. But I will long NQ at this point and will short ES. So I saw a validation of long on NQ once we got shift in structure. I long NQ because ES was bullish. Once ES turned bearish, I shorted ES. So this is my approach to trade this kind of not in sync market, decoupled market. Two micros left, 5 micros closed already. So really happy with trade here. So we sit inside retracement reversal area. Last support between 601 and 7594.75. And yesterday on my short, 94 was my TP. Let's see if you're going to enter this support area. Break even on the day now. But if break even on today, which means I can trade more today, which is good. Which I'm happy with. With my targets based on projections, Chris. I was in with 7 micros. 5 micros already off, just 2 micros left. Oh, you cannot see this. I didn't notice because of my camera. Let me move over here. It's easier to see. I changed my layout a little bit and I forgot that it's bigger now. I'm gonna do like that. Yeah, way better. Sorry about this. Didn't notice. See how we reacting from this retracement reversal area? So basically that's range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation projections. Either a reversal from this area or a retracement. I would say this projection is more accurate in my opinion comparing to this one, but this also valid based on 1 minute chart. It's fake tree behind me because I was trying to buy real plants, guys. They cannot live with me. It's dying all the time. It's 150k accounts. I'm trading 10 accounts now, not 10. 3 TPT, 5 TradingView, 8 accounts. It's fake, yeah. But it looks nice, right? At least something. MMXM, can you please share PDF about standard deviation? Well, Adam, you're laughing, but how to say this? In different way. Like, seriously. Quick question. Let's say there is no clear 30-minute SIP, but New York Midnight Open is tested. So it depends, are we sitting inside consolidation or not? If we don't have clear liquidity, but maybe we have SMT with YM, right? So we don't need to have sweep at this point. We're going to trade off New York Midnight Open, closure below this level to short, closure above this level to long. Or let's say we don't have like New York Midnight Open way above or way below, whatever. But you see 30-minute SIP on Q, you don't see 30-minute SIP on ES. So we do have SMT. 3-minute OB can be confirmation of reversal at this point. So far we got sniper exit at 7605.25. Da-dum. Oops. How to write this word? Yeah, like that. Let's see. So far, we getting a reaction from 2 and 2.5 standard deviation projections, which I do like. And now, main question: are we going to turn bullish? I don't want to turn bullish, honestly. Since look at NQ, guys. Let me switch on NQ real quick. NQ left equal lows lower. See this? Left yes to the New York midnight open, but the most important part, we still above weekly open, which I do want to see. So gonna stay for now. I keep getting different executions. 2 points difference on execution on yes, 5 points difference was on NQ. It swept and held yesterday open. You know, I talked about this yesterday in TradingView TV, but how I see situation. Below, we didn't trade below weekly open in Q. On yes, we barely traded below this level. So technically, makes sense to offer low of the week today or Wednesday reversal profile tomorrow. So lower to long to all-time high. Definitely this can happen tomorrow after FOMC, but we will see. It's Russian accent. Chris says, let me see. Chris, you keep talking about like your playbook that you're going to share with me, and you never ever share it with me. Like, why? Why? So let's see if you're going to get another break above New York midnight open. Guys, let me show you something real quick. Look at this. See? Amazing. Good for me. I'm break even right now. Yeah. Let's wait for third trade maybe. We still can trade more today. Last support, we never hit this. Well, we got this one. 1.6, not bad. We closed that over here. 1.6 R, good trade. Last one arm, though. Gonna check gold. Gold. Gold left room to go lower at 43.31. Some pullback maybe. Damn, this hourly chart looks so bad. Let's see, I'm gonna wait. I can trade more, guys. At least we can, because we have like fresh account now. Why it closes fresh? Because break even on the day, this means I can risk exactly the same amount I risk on first trade. Maxim, you know, no stress. I put alert. No stress yet. I'm in medium zone now. Isn't that amazing? Medium 1.5. It's near to light. Oh, my panel, guys, I'm going to take huge payout this month. Only on Tradify for 2 weeks, I made 8K something on each account. 8K multiplied by 5. Right, MXM, no stress. That's so cool. Yeah, this is all about how big your loss comparing to your win. NQ, look at NQ. NQ failed to offer shift in structure. It would be funny if it just stopped me out to break even to go also then to last support area. Longs only above New York midnight open and daily open. How big is my love? You're talking about my husband? He's big enough. Yeah, that's me. Classic, right? I want to see gold still lower. Let's see maybe some retracement to upside and why I saw this, why I read this. My husband, not really. But yesterday on my on my short, I shorted yesterday for loss as well, and I got yesterday last win, today last win. What the heck? He like, why you shorted from here? Only yes. Let me show you my trade. Yeah, in hindsight it looks bad. Why you shorted here? What did you see? It's absolutely obvious long. And I'm like, well, please, leave the room now. I don't want to divorce today. Please, leave the room. He's not really a trader. He trades from time to time. Yeah. If I won yesterday on my short, he would say, nice job. But since I lost, of course, he found different reasons why it was obvious long. Come on, guys. He's classic hindsight expert. I saw lots of experts like that on Twitter. Oh, yeah. Oh, trust me, it's not cool. Oh, trust me. It's not cool. Because I'm trying to argue with him at this point, and always argue with him about this point, because I say, like, of course, right now on hindsight it looks great. It's obvious long, but where were you? Especially you read the chat. Why didn't give me signal too long? He's like, that's it. He didn't say anything. Bit more fun. That's good one. Let's look for another trade. People. Oh, I'm doing giveaway. I forgot. Let me send you a link. I forgot that I'm doing giveaway. Today I do Tradify. Daniel, that's actually funny. If you want Take Profit Trader, you should receive email not from me, but from Take Profit Trader. Check this. I didn't find boyfriend for my sister. And the trader in queue said he's going to be first. Sam. And you still British. Let's see. Oh god, that's funny. How you can participate in giveaway? You can click this link, fill the form, and you are in. If you guys, it's your first time to participate in my giveaway, first time filling the form, don't forget to go to your email and confirm your email. So I want to make sure you're not scam, you're not going to do anything like. And guys, you can just enter just once because I can see how many IPs created to engage in giveaway from one person. That's a note. And I immediately block these people, just for information. Link in the chat to participate in giveaway. Wish you good luck. Let's wait for your trade. Visit once. Immediately. See you tomorrow. I don't like gold reversed from my key level, but swept sell side. Not enough. Not enough. Want to see more to downside. Maybe we'll get nice setup on gold soon. Honestly, since NQ still remains bearish, setup still valid. As long as below New York midnight open and daily open, it's still valid short. Just don't see reason to re-enter yet. How to trade? No. Very, very tricky market today. Guys, is it me or it's really tricky today? Maybe I missed something. Like, or what? What is going on? For me, it's quite tricky today. Long was obvious, short was obvious. Nothing was delivered, so... Maybe that's me. You know, Michael, that's interesting because technically I want to see drop today. Like another 500 points on NQ. But continuing FOMC tomorrow, I can be wrong. So maybe another short, if I will decide to engage, will not work today, but will work tomorrow. I didn't have bias as well. So that's why I was trying to react. And reason, okay, not reason. How I reacted today, ES was bullish and ES was bullish from the very beginning. NQ turned bullish. I longed. See here. Didn't work. But at the same time, once I stopped out, I saw invalidation of longs on ES. So we shorted. That's interesting. Right now, I don't know. I'm gonna just watch. I'm not in rush today, so let's see if we're going to get fair trade together. Why is he not streaming these days? I have no idea. Michael usually visits us like at least once a week. So if he's here, he's going to tell us. If he's not here, we will ask him tomorrow. What about oil? So 77 is a key area for potential reaction. If no reaction, expect to get 74.77. So that's area where we're going to get reversal back to 50% of this drop. So back to 80, 85. Right now stuck at 77. Unfortunately, no reaction yet. Want to go to the gym today after stream. I feel like I gained some weight again. $6E, let's check. Euro futures. Oh damn. I hate lower time frame on Forex. That's probably me, but I really hate it. Let's do top-down analysis while we're waiting for ES to present another opportunity. Oh, nice double sweep. That looks so good on a quarterly chart. I want it to lower. In long-term perspective, fill the gap. Nice. Holding 50%. Amazing. That's brilliant reaction. Confirm for change in the state of delivery over here. Nice second stage. I'm looking for lower on high time frame, also down to this level. On quarterly chart, 3 months chart, this level is filling the fair value gap. See this fair value gap? I would like to see you filling this fair value gap based on structure. Looking for lower. Hate to trade lower time frame on Forex. I don't know why. Maybe for London traders, London kill zone traders. That's great price action, not for me. New York session, just guys, it's garbage. Looking for lower on high time frame. Normal market structure shift change in the state of delivery occurs at the same price level. Change in the state of delivery creates real OB. While market structure shift is shift in structure. So break above recent swing high, swing low. So what I would like to get on Euro futures, you can just, price is gonna be different, but I guess analysis is the same. Higher to short. This scenario. I don't know, we got nice double sweep, so we made it trace back to the range. At least equilibrium with this move up. Looking for lower first. Did you buy SpaceX? No, not yet. I will let you know. Funny because I was talking about this with my husband this morning. I didn't buy yet, but I want to. Swing trading with options. With options. Yeah, it's almost 100% soon. Guys, since it's Elon Musk, probably it will not drop a lot, but I'm okay to buy some at retracement back to 150 area on SpaceX. I want to see how we're going to play right now with ES. So technical potential short, continuation lower. So yes, the New York midnight open after, we're going to invalidate this OB. So below 76.07. I'm trading for 4 years. Which time frame is a 3-minute chart? Okay. All right. Let's see. Gonna highlight this level on my chart as well. I still believe our final TP could hit, which was 94. But let's see. We can engage again right? NQ still bearish. I do like how we traded off New York midnight open. We'll see. Let's check YM real quick. How supposed to use YM as SMT with ES and NQ? Doesn't make any sense. So far funny, because it stopped out runner at break-even. Fortunately, was just 2 micros left. And just going again lower. Crazy. Let's see. I'm engaged soon again. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind to get 30,200 today. I don't mind. Bigger day. Oh, I had big days on my Apex accounts. On my TradingView accounts. One day, my biggest day, I believe, was 2,500 on each account. On TradingView. 30,200. Yes, please. Want to see that level. Let's see. We want to try again soon. Alan, where did you enter? It will be amazing hold. $7.32. Okay, got it. You know what I see right now? So this swing high not protected yet. So be careful if you trail your stop loss there. So it's not protected high yet. We didn't get break of structure yet to downside. Another break of structure to engage. Which SMT? This SMT? Because SMT, ideally, SMT needs to be combined with high different level. So if it's going to be SMT and reversal, it's gonna be from nowhere. It doesn't mean like it will not work. It can work. Just not high probability. May look for shorts below 76.007. Giveaway in 5 minutes. We can do in 5 minutes. Let me send you link one more time to enter giveaway. Guys, I hope you enjoy this stream today. I do like how we flipped bias once we saw invalidation, and I do like how we weren't scared to engage in second trade after losing. It's really hard part for me, especially that's hard part for me when I take this kind of trades on stream. So today was good. I love it. So I'm break-even on the day after my loss and win. So I'm going to look for another trade because I can afford this, if I can say so. You were scared. Come on. You're strong. You're strong. I will create PDF about SPX. I will start today, hope to finish by tomorrow, but I hope to finish by tomorrow. Michael, I'm going to look for longs only above New York midnight open. Not gonna be first buyer here. I'm fine. Guys, okay, come on. 1 more minute to enter giveaway and we will start. I will send you accounts right after stream. I'm okay too long, but let's break above New York midnight open first. On NQ, we didn't get break of structure yet. Well, people, Pink magnets. I added pink magnets on my long on NQ with TP at 904. It didn't work. Scam. Well, guys, are you ready? Of course, why I'm asking. Let's start. Oops, sorry guys. We'll start working on my PDF. What was that? Oh, I forgot to turn off the sound. First winner. Ooh. Great. Congratulations. You won't TradeView 50k gross account, which you can pass for 1 day, but you're going to have consistency unfunded. But you can pass for 1 day. Are you here? Are you in the chat with us? Guys, if you participate in giveaway, your task is to let me know that you are here. If you won. If you see your name on screen, this means you won, and you need to tell me like I'm here. Is winner in the chat or not? Not here, seems like. Okay, 14 seconds left. Can't see him. Not, right? He's not here, right? Nope. Okay. Dear all then, let's start again. First winner is you. Are you here? Cannot pronounce your name because it's really hard. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I do giveaways every single day. Username, right? Don't PRK MU3QB. Like, why? Nope. Real question now. Like, guys, listen. Be serious, okay? What the heck? You participate and leave. How many people? 469. Yeah, I'm going to roll. Yeah, of course. First winner again. 2 hours ago. And you can, like, I usually like announce winners at 11. Just go back at 11. You don't need to see it all like whole team. I always announce at 11, 11:05. You know him? I feel like I know him as well. He's like with a blue picture on his profile, right? Well, we cannot even find first winner. Come on! Are you here? No. No. He has one before, like a couple of months ago. I remember. Da-da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dum. I'm gonna... Oh. He's here. Why you... Why last second? At least we have first winner. I see you, I see you. MMXM, did you call him? Here, I see you. You got it. You were like last second, seriously. Last second. Second winner. Please. Be fast. Are you here? No way. It was fast. Congratulations. So tomorrow we'll do Tradify Select. And on Thursday we'll do Lucid Flex. Okay? Next week we will do some straight to funded. And let's do... What else we can do? Let me think about this. We can do TPT next week as well. Take Profit Trader next week and some Tradify Lightning funded. Tomorrow we'll do Tradify Select. And on Thursday, Lucid Flex. Okay? Friday is bank holiday. E8 futures? You love E8 futures? Let's do E8 futures next week as well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. I really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, but please don't ask me for account, because I keep getting messages on my direct asking for account, or please, can you send me some money? Please. Please. I'm ready to help you, but please. I usually give account to person when I see like he really needs this. I see this. Sometimes I scroll Twitter and I see like, he keeps saying like he's trying, but he keep losing. I like, okay, like, can you send me a message like on X? I will help you. Blah blah blah. But please. Absolutely, guys. Enjoy this show today. We did good. So let's do a quick update on our price action. So what I think right now, if both ES and Q are going to displace above New York midnight open, I will give another chance to long this. So far, I do like reaction from my retracement reversal area on ES. We got absolutely amazing exit on our short trade on ES. If I will enter the trade, I will probably let you know in Discord, okay? In free Discord. If I will enter my third trade. Yeah, on gold, I'm not fun. We didn't hit 43.31. So may look for some continuation lower. If I will see setup, I also will let you know. I don't like equal highs higher for shorts right now. So technically can pump just to sweep this equal highs. So right now I don't see setup yet. I will let you know in Discord, I guess, if I see setups, okay? Guys, you're the best. Absolutely enjoy spend time with you every single day. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. And let's kill this tomorrow. Market not easy right now, but how you manage your risk will define how you're going to trade in the future, how you're going to get your payouts, and how you're going to save your account. So Lars and Win today are both taken on stream. 2 trades only. So break even on the day. Looking for another trade with same risk I took on first trade. Guys, you're the best. See you tomorrow. If you have any questions, Discord, Instagram, Twitter, doors are open for you guys. Love you. See you tomorrow.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.